Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you can reset or reboot your iDrive system of a BMW. This one is a BMW 7 Series G11 if I remember correctly. If you have any issues with your Bluetooth, CarPlay, navigation, or a blank screen not working, you can try this. It sure helped me and I just wanted to share it with you. I've tried to have the ignition on, but to start it works better. Just start the car, then you're gonna press the volume button for about 30 seconds till the screen goes black. Takes about 30 seconds. You'll feel something moving behind the screen on your finger, and when it goes blank, just release it and a short press to have it restart again, and you'll see that it all restarts and reboots itself. It helped me by connection problems for my Bluetooth. Let me know if it helped you with any kind of problems. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, see you, bye bye.